While that sort of waits, the other question I had was, with the VidIQ boost, there's a Black Friday deal at the moment, and I wasn't sure if you use that or it just a lot of AI stuff which you can use for Chat GBT or just curious.
I use the $10 or $15 a month package for VidIQ.
Yep.
And I don't know what they have in Boost. I know that they added a bunch of AI tools lately.
It seems like it's a lot of AI stuff, and I thought, like we saw in the other group, the training on the AI, it looked like you can pretty much do everything Boost offers just with the Chat GBT. So
yeah, I will have to look into it because I know they have this AI script writer, but I don't think it's really good yet.
Yep.
But what I mainly use VidIQ for is the stats they show on the channels. So the trending videos, the view velocity, like views per hour on videos, and then just the search traffic and competition scores for certain keywords too.
So that's just that basic plan, isn't it? I think I'm on that one as well, and I get them stats.
Yeah, like the 10 or 15 a month is probably enough. And then one thing that's what you can also do with VidIQ is export a specific channel's statistics. So their views, their likes, their dislikes, their subscribers, and then use like an Excel sheet to filter on likes per video or likes per amount of views per video, which is a pretty cool trick too. But honestly, like I don't know what exactly is in that pro plan, but depending on the deal, you can get it if it's a really good deal. But
I think it was $300 or $200 US actually for the 12 months.
Yeah, so it's like $20 a month, which is fine, I guess, but you pay a yearly one time up front, right? Yeah,
I'm not too sure.
Like the basic plan is enough, so you don't necessarily have to get into.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking from what I saw.